In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails in Outlook using rules. This is a simple way to keep your inbox organized by automatically sorting messages as they arrive so you can focus on what matters most. Start by opening your browser and going to Microsoft.com. At the top of the page, click All Microsoft to see the list of services, then choose Outlook. When the Outlook page loads, click Sign in and log in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right and click the Settings gear icon. In the panel that opens, select Mail to access all your mail-related settings. From there, choose Rules. This is where we'll build the automation. Click Add New Rule. Begin by giving your new rule a clear, descriptive name that tells you exactly what it does. For example, you might name it Newsletters to Folder or Invoices from Vendor. A good name makes it easier to manage your rules later. Next, add a condition. This tells Outlook what to look for. You can choose things like messages from a specific email address, recipients that include a group, or a subject that contains certain keywords. When you pick a condition that uses text, add words to look for. These are the keywords Outlook will scan for, such as invoice, receipt, or a project tag. Keep your terms specific to avoid catching unrelated messages. If you want to narrow it even further, you may also choose to add more conditions. Multiple conditions usually mean the message must match all of them, which helps you target exactly the emails you care about. Now add an action. This is what Outlook will do when a message matches your conditions. Common actions include moving the message to a folder, assigning a category, marking it as read, or forwarding it to another address. If you want to do more than one thing, you may choose to add another action and an exception. Exceptions are helpful if there are cases you want to exclude, like ignoring the rule when the sender is a particular address or when the subject includes a certain word. Before you finish, check the box for Run Rule Now so it may start filtering immediately. This applies the rule to existing messages and helps you confirm everything works as expected. That's it. Your Outlook rule is set up to automatically organize your emails and save you time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.